Good morning, guys. Guess where I am now? I am in Baku, Azerbaijan. We came yesterday here, so today we are gonna use a bus to see a lot of exciting places. That's our bus. We are going there. We will see a mud volcano, burning mountain, and everything. So let's go.
And Sokar is our main oil company.
This is Azerbaijan's first oil rig. They took petrol here. It's built in 1846. Look behind me, it's still working. But how? It's so old. This is a bus to see places. Look, it's so big and black color. I'm eating this biscuit because I'm so hungry. We didn't have breakfast today morning because we waked up so early. That's why now we are eating. We reached Mud Volcano, but after Mud Volcano, they will not let us to go in the bus, but we can go in any of these cars. It's very old car. I don't know if it's dirty or not. If it's dirty, I'm gonna get out. But I think it's clean. They said it's Russian-made car. So did they clean it first of all? We'll go this car, I guess. See this car? It's very old and dirty. And why did they put a towel over here?
Because it's a tone, that's why.
What? Nobody have to see it or something?
Yeah.
There's no road. We are actually going through mud. I understand because the car is so shaky. This is full of desert, not even a road or a beautiful shop, just an ugly and old car. But anyway, we are going to see Mud Volcano. The road is so bumpy. It can't even stop when it will stop. One car is going up, but how did the car reach there? Will they fall down when they go up? I have fear of that.
You're also going like that.
What? Nah, we're also going like that. But it's fine. When the car is like bumping inside, the sand is coming. But how? There is not even a hole in a window. We almost reached it there. I'm so excited. We are going up. There's a volcano. So we have reached Tomato Volcano. It's so big. Wait, I can climb in this. Let's go and see. Look how it looks like chocolate syrup. But it looks like a pudding syrup. I want to eat it. Oh my god. Ah. So this is a mud volcano. Later it's gonna get fire, lava. No. Ah. How to even go? I cannot go up. Look, so many mud. Wait. Wait, hold my hand. You forgot about me. You come here. No, you have to always hold my hand. Because if I fell down, I would cry like a baby. Oh my god. I'm holding your dress. So many mud. Nah. Chocolate syrup is here again. There's so many. Look, I just saw a bubble. Oh my god. When did this happen? It's so dirty. What? Huh? I just saw a bubble. Oh. It was almost to splash you. So big.
Like a chocolate syrup.
Oh my god, that's just big ones. Papa, small mud volcano. Look. Guys, it's a tiny mud volcano. Biggest bubbles in this volcano. Tiny mud volcano. Look, tiny. Tiny volcano. It's making a weird noise. Like a big bubble splashing on us. I'm scared. Ah! Oh my god, I saw a big one.
Let's go there.
Let's go there. Oh my god. Oh! So hard to...
It is so small.
It's so small, but bubbles are coming. I just saw a big bubble. Not a big bubble, tiny bubble. If it's a big bubble, I'm gonna run. It's gonna make me wet.
Yeah.
There's so many. Oh my god, this looks actually so dangerous. If the big one popped on me, then I'll be all dirty. Then I cannot show anyone. Oh my god. It's so hard to walk. Some are broken, so did they had earth? I can see the real mud volcano. The very big one. Did they build this long time ago?
Nobody built this one.
Oh my god.
Don't go there.
Don't go near or it's gonna...
Danger.
Let's go back and see other places. See the beautiful scenery. It's actually not bad. But why is this full of mud because this volcano splashed everywhere because it's a big volcano. Oh, it's a well of volcano. Everything is volcano. So we swim on everything in mud? No, I'm not swimming there. I want to swim on cool water. It's actually so fun being here because I like going up and I feel like I'm in the sky. It's like a tiger roaring, like wow, like
Papa heard some noise.
that's a bubble. I think it's gonna explode on you. That is gonna explode, I think. So we have to move or it will splash everywhere. Finish? We have to go. Can't go. Bye, mud volcanoes. And I will miss you. It's so fun meeting you. Bye-bye. Oh my God, is it gonna explode on me? I'm not gonna step on that. It's my new shoe I buy in Qatar. Oh, it's a small volcano. But it's on the ground, deep hole. It's so fun in here. It's time. Oh my God, too many. Let's go to our car. Now we are taking our old car again. Wait, there's a difference. Oh my God, it's a tiny again. Teeny weeny. Time to get in. Still so sandy. Oh my God, the biggest volcano. We're going down. We're down now. It's time to go. Bye-bye. Time to go to the next place. The Burning Mountain. So fast. We came back to bus. The bus is waiting for us. Finally. We're going to next place, Burning Mountain.